Excuse me, guys. Do you know when any of the ice cream machines are going to start working or not?
Which one is it?
Well, all of them. No ice cream machines are working.
Ice cream machine, yes, the maintenance is still working on it.
Okay.
I'm not sure how long it's gonna be.
Right, okay. But,
yeah.
Okay.
Sorry about
That's
it.
okay. Alright.
Yeah. Hey!
We're going in now, right?
Play.
Their characters?
Of course we do. Thank you. Hi guys.
Hi everybody. We're gonna start. If you want to head round, get lots of space. I would say go round, keep going round and get a good spot. Play-Play Pavilion. Now I want to say, woo! First up, who's like you? I call Keep those sponges moving, okay? That's it. Pass them back to the building. So, blue team, make some noise! Green team, make some noise! Alright, ready? Steady! Go!
Let's go. Is that good? Good pod? Is that good? Clean?
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Subscribe our channel. Turn on our channel. Remember to hit the notification bell and give us a huge thumbs up. Bam! Bye guys. Bye guys.